Hi everybody, welcome back to another lesson in my level 3 beginner piano course. In this video we're going to learn Diabelli's Andantino from opus 125 number 5. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and if you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. Also, I offer online piano lessons. If you're looking for one, there's going to be information below. We are still in the chapter about thirds and sixes, and since it's such a difficult thing to do on the piano, I do believe we need more and more practice material for this specific technical challenge. Now, this piece by Diabelli is quite a challenge, so do this after you've played the previous exercises in the book, or if you have some experience with legato, thirds and sixes. But if you manage to do it, it's a really good study, and it's mostly for the right hand. The left hand is counting with quarter notes. So the piece is from First Lessons, a collection that we've seen before in previous lessons. The tempo mark is Andantino, so kind of walking speedish, not too fast, not too slow, but we have quite long note values, so obviously we're going to go at a movable pace, and we are in 4/4, 4 quarter note beats in every bar, and C major. Let's play through the left hand from beginning to end. It's very simple. We've got repeated notes, but we need to keep a very steady pulse because the left hand is counting for us. Now, we've got a few slurs in the left hand, which obviously needs to be connected. For the rest of the notes, it's up to you. You can either play them detached or you can play them connected. It doesn't really make much difference to the piece. So let's start. We're going to start 5 on the C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And here in the 5th bar, we're going to change from 5 to 2 on the C. Very important. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. And the reason why we needed to change is to have enough fingers for the G. Now we move an octave higher to the G number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, change to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. Final line, now we have octaves, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, now connected arpeggio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, G, G, C, G, C. And that's it. So a couple of nice arpeggios, lots of repeated notes, and some scale-like 4-note patterns. Now, as you can see, there is a repeat sign after the first section and one at the end of the second section. I didn't play the repeats to keep this video as short as I can, but you can play the repeats in your own performance. Let's move on to the right hand, which is the real challenge. So we're going to start with the first 4 bars, which is legato thirds. So we're starting 2 and 4 on the E, G, and just the basics for thirds and sixes. If you're new to this, you need to make sure that the 2 notes go down perfectly together, whether it's a 6 or it's a third, and you have to make sure when you move from one to the other, or from one third to the next, you do it smoothly so there's no gap between the notes. And for that, you need a very rounded hand shape. You need to kind of drop into the keys, concentrate that the 2 fingers drop in, rounded fingers, supported hand, and a very soft wrist, no tension at all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, rest. So as you could see, I'm connecting through. I'm not lifting up like this. That's not good, that's detached playing, and that's much easier. And also, I'm not playing it like this, where you hear like a separation of the 2 notes. So together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, rest. 3, 5 on the D, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, back to the E, G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and now a difficult 1, 4 to the E, C. 3, 2, 5, and we have a scale coming down 2, 5, 1, 4, 2, 5, 1, 4, 2, 5, 1, 4. A very difficult passage. If you have smaller hands, you won't be able to do the 2, 5, 1, 4. In that case, you can just do your 1, 5, 1, 5 if you really must, or you could try 1, 5, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 4, and then you still get some kind of connection. But the best way to do it is 2, 5, 1, 4, 2, 5, 1, 4. Very connected, making sure one finger always stays down when you have to lift up the second one. Going on, bar 9, we're going to G major, so 2, 4 on the B, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, crossing over 2, 4 to the F sharp, lifting up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and now transitioning into sixes, 3, 4, same fingering, 2, 5, 1, 4, crossing over 2, 5, 1, 4, 2, 5, 1, 4. And then 2, 4 on the E, G, back to C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now 2, 5, 1, 4, 2, 5, 1, 4, 2, 5, 1, 4. And that's the right hand. Practice in very small sections. First, have a look at the thirds, that's the easier one, and then have a look at the sixes, and if you can do that fingering, the 2, 5, 1, 4, with accuracy and connection, then there you are. If you feel tension building up, then you need to stop and see where is the hand tensing up. Are you really trying to hold that distance between the two notes? Is the wrist very, very stiff? So look out for these things, because as soon as tension creeps in, you won't be able to play it smoothly. Now let's play it hands together from the very start. So most important thing again is whilst the right hand is going smoothly and connected, the left hand keeps detaching those repeated notes. So keep the right hand connected, and since the melody is in the right hand, you have to play the right hand louder than the left hand repeated notes. Dynamics wise, we start quietly, carry on quiet all the way until the C major repetition in the end, where we have an F forte. So slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, lift, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, change to 2, now to the sixes, and 1, 2, going on to the G position, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, lift, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, change to 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 2, 5, 1, 4. Now loud. Legato left hand. And finishing there. So not an easy exercise at all, but it's a beautiful piece, and it really works on these two technical challenges, and you can play it much slower than what I played, if that's the best you can do at that very moment, and a few weeks later you can start to go a little bit faster as long as your hands allow you to. And remember, if you can't get fluency, accuracy of the double notes and legato, there's no point to try going faster because it's a waste of time. You need to be able to do what the piece wants you to do.